Morning everybody, how are we all? Fine Saturday morning today it is. Lovely and sunny outside. Going to do another Iceland pound meal. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to be doing cottage pie, £1. I'm going to put some carrots, that was £1 for that big bag, and some mixed peppers, they was 150. I got a 1kg bag by mistake. I think it's one of those 650 gram by mistake. I do a 500 gram for £1. Well, I picked them up by mistake, but never mind, eh? So that's £1 and £1 and 150. So yeah, it's not really packed, but that's the main one, ain't it? I'm just going to put them in extra at the bottom, if you get what I mean. So I'm just on my handheld. This goes in the microwave, 16 minutes. 8 minutes, leave to stand for 1 minute, and then 8 minutes again. Okay, so let's get that open up first. This is nutrition, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. There it is there, look. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? Looks very nice actually. Microwave then for 8 minutes first. While that's in the microwave, I'm going to do my peppers. I have put my gloves on. Put a bit of oil in there. I'm going to fry some peppers and some carrots up. Put it at the bottom of the tins for the lads. Might be a bit too much there, but get in the tins. So it's only a quick one, guys, as I say. We just fry them up for a few minutes. Carrots and peppers. I put a bit of salt on them when I was cooking them. I'm going to put some of them at the bottom. So if it's the first time watching this is I leave a couple of bits of food and take it down and feed the homeless lads downtown. So it's only I will say Aldi, don't I? Aldi on the brain. It's only Iceland stuff, this. There you go, just a few veg there, isn't it? I've done myself some gravy, and there's the shepherd's pie, cottage pie. Not very brown on the top, is it? But right, I'm going to dish it up then. As I say, it's not the best quality stuff, is it? But it's all I can afford to do at the moment, so. And anything is better than nothing, isn't it? To be fair. If I can get it. Come on. There we go, guys. I'll put a little bit of salt on the top and I'll just top them with gravy. And fair play, I didn't know. They told me yesterday that there's the cafe in town, I can't remember the name of the cafe. They warm the food up for them, so which is an absolute bonus, so I don't have to eat it straight away. I have to find the name of that cafe and say thank you to them. They did tell me, but I forgot. It is like early in the morning now, it's like 11:30 I think it is. Yeah, 11:30 it's coming up to. So it's always something they can have later then, ain't it, you know. So there you go, 2 cottage pies with a bit of gravy and carrots and a bit of peppers for the lads. I say pound meals. And if you are struggling for yourself as well, I mean, you can even put it under the grill, I suppose, couldn't you? Or in the air fryer to crisp the top up, you know what I mean? But as I say, I'm not going to show you taking it down this time. I did yesterday. If you've never seen yesterday's, then I'll leave a thing up here somewhere, wherever it is. And I'll see you later. It's only a short one, guys, because this is something we do personal. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.